None of us like mosquitoes, right? But these facts might just blow your mind. First up, did you know only female mosquitoes bite? Yes, the guys are chilling out, sipping flower nectar like tiny flying hipsters. Fact 2, mosquitoes have been around since the time of dinosaurs. That's over 100 million years of being an airborne nuisance. Number 3, they're the deadliest animals on Earth. Yep, more dangerous than sharks, lions, or that one uncle who tells bad jokes. Fourth fact, mosquitoes have 47 teeth. Okay, not actual teeth, but tiny serrated edges on their proboscis to slice into our skin. And finally, fact 5, mosquitoes are picky eaters. They love people with type O blood, those who sweat a lot, and even beer drinkers. So, maybe skip that extra drink on the patio? So there you have it, folks. 5 crazy mosquito facts that might make you respect them. Just a little. Hit that like button if you learned something new.